Are you sure the only way to get a great espresso is by spending a fortune or waiting in line at a coffee shop every single morning? So many people trying to brew at home end up with a weak, disappointing cup from a machine that was confusing to choose and even more frustrating to use. I am going to show you how to get that rich, cafe-quality flavor right in your own kitchen, without breaking the bank. I have analyzed 6 of the best-selling espresso machines under $500, focusing on how they perform in real, everyday life, not just on paper. You will discover which one is built for the aspiring barista, which one is for the person who just wants a great coffee with one button, and which ones you should probably avoid. Let's find the right one for you. This first machine is for you if you love the idea of crafting your own espresso but do not have a ton of counter space. Its main benefit is giving you hands-on control in a very compact and stylish package. Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning. You grind your beans, you tap the coffee just right, and you pull a perfect, rich shot of espresso, all by yourself. The steam wand froths milk for a creamy latte that tastes 100 times better than anything from a pod machine. This is ideal for someone living in an apartment or with a smaller kitchen who wants to learn the art of espresso making without a huge, intimidating machine. However, it is not recommended for anyone who is in a rush in the morning and just wants coffee instantly. It is a manual machine, which means it solves the problem of weak, automated coffee, but it does require a few minutes of your time and attention to get it right. Its one real limitation is that the process is not automated, so there is a small learning curve to pulling the perfect shot every single time. But if you enjoy that process, it is an incredibly rewarding machine. If this sounds like the one for you, the first on my list is the Deloni Stilosa. You can find the direct Amazon link for it right below in the description. Now, if that hands-on approach sounds like a little too much work, this next option might be exactly what you need. This machine is all about simplicity and speed, delivering a great tasting espresso with very little effort. Its core benefit is its powerful pump system combined with a built-in milk frother, making cappuccinos and lattes almost automatic. Picture this: you are running late for work, but you still want a quality coffee. You just add your ground coffee, press a single button, and in about a minute, you have a hot, rich espresso ready to go. This is perfect for the busy person who values convenience but still wants a significant upgrade from their old drip coffee maker or pod system. It is probably not the best fit for the coffee hobbyist who wants to tweak every single variable of the brewing process. It solves the pain point of wanting better coffee than pods can offer, without adding a complicated morning ritual. One gentle limitation is that because it is so simple, you do not get the same level of manual control over the shot's timing and pressure as you would with a machine like the Stilosa. It is designed for consistency and ease of use above all else. If you want great coffee without the fuss, check out the second product on the list, the Chefman CraftBrew. The link is waiting for you in the description below. But what if you want both convenience and a little more creative freedom? The third machine on our list is a fantastic all-in-one solution that feels like having a small cafe right on your countertop. I call it the complete cafe station. Its main advantage is the incredibly intuitive touchscreen interface that lets you choose your drink with a single tap, whether it is a single shot, a double shot, or steamed milk. Think about having friends over. Instead of just offering them regular coffee, you can easily whip up lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos for everyone, just like a barista. The machine handles the pressure and temperature perfectly every time. It is ideal for the family or the host who loves to offer a variety of coffee drinks without any stress. However, if you only ever drink straight black espresso, the advanced milk frothing features might be more than you actually need. This machine solves the problem of wanting specialty coffee drinks at home without having to buy a separate frother or guess at the settings. Its only real drawback is that it has a slightly larger footprint than the more compact models, so you will need to dedicate a bit of counter space to it. For an easy, all-in-one experience, look for number 3 in the description, the atatix Espresso Machine. Its price can change pretty often, so I recommend you check today's price using the link below. And if that last one sounds too big for your space, this next one is the exact opposite. This is the ultra-compact steam espresso maker, designed for the smallest of kitchens. Its primary benefit is its tiny size and straightforward operation, using steam pressure to brew up to 4 shots of espresso at once. Imagine you are a student in a dorm room or you live in a studio apartment where every inch of space counts. This little machine can be tucked away easily but is always ready to make a quick, strong coffee that is miles ahead of instant. It is the perfect choice for the occasional espresso drinker who prioritizes space and simplicity over everything else. It is not, however, for the espresso purist. It uses 3.5 bars of steam pressure, which creates a different style of coffee than the higher pressure pump machines. It solves the pain point of having absolutely no space for a proper coffee setup. One honest limitation is that the steam-brewed coffee it produces is strong, but it will not have the same thick crema that you would get from a pump-driven machine. It is a trade-off for its incredible compactness and affordability. If you need the most space-saving option, the fourth product on the list is the SHARDOR 3.5 bar espresso machine. You will find the direct Amazon link for it right below. Now, let's talk about a machine for someone who is ready for a serious upgrade in durability and performance. This DeLonghi model is a classic workhorse, built to last and deliver consistent, high-quality espresso day after day. Its main benefit is its robust stainless steel construction and powerful 15-bar pump, the same pressure you find in commercial cafe machines. This is for the person who has become a daily espresso drinker. You rely on that morning coffee, and you need a machine that will not let you down. It heats up quickly and can brew shot after shot without losing temperature, making it a reliable partner for your daily routine. It is not the best choice for someone on a very tight budget, as it represents a step up in investment. It solves the problem of cheaper machines that lose pressure or break down after just a year of use. A small, practical limitation is that its classic, sturdy design means it is a bit heavier than some of the plastic models. But that weight is a sign of its quality build. If you are looking for a long-term, reliable coffee partner, check out number 5, the DeLonghi Classic Signature Espresso Machine. Its price tends to fluctuate, so click the link in the description to see what it is selling for today. Finally, let's look at an option that is all about making multiple drinks quickly and easily. The IMUSA Quick Brew is perfect for a small household or office where more than one person needs a coffee fix at the same time. Its biggest strength is the simple dial control and the glass carafe that holds up to 4 cups of espresso. Think of a lazy Sunday brunch with your family. Instead of brewing 1 cup at a time, you can quickly make enough espresso for everyone to have a cappuccino with their meal. It brings the efficiency of a drip coffee maker to the world of espresso. It is ideal for anyone who regularly serves coffee to multiple people. It is likely not the right machine for the solo coffee enthusiast who obsesses over the perfect single shot, as it is designed for volume. This machine effectively solves the issue of slow, one-at-a-time brewing when you have guests or a family of coffee lovers. One real-world limitation is that while it is very fast, the build is not as heavy-duty as a premium machine like the DeLonghi Classic. It is a practical tool designed for speed and convenience above all. If you often find yourself brewing for a small crowd, the final product on our list is the IMUSA 4-cup electric espresso maker. The link is number 6 in the description below. So, let's quickly recap. If you want to learn the craft on a compact machine, the DeLonghi Stilosa is your perfect starting point. For push-button simplicity, the Chefman CraftBrew is your go-to. If you want an all-in-one cafe experience, the atatix machine delivers that versatility. For the absolute smallest spaces, the SHARDOR is the answer. For a durable, everyday workhorse, the DeLonghi Classic Signature is a solid investment. And for brewing multiple cups with ease, the IMUSA gets the job done. I have put the direct links to each of these machines in the description right below, so you can go straight to the one that fits you best without having to search. One last thing to remember, prices on Amazon can change from week to week, so the most accurate way to know the cost is to click the link, which will show you today's updated price for each one. If this video helped you make a decision, consider subscribing. I am always testing new products to help you find the best value. Thanks for watching. Now that you know which machine you might get, the next big question is what kind of coffee beans you should use to get the best flavor. We covered that in another video, so stick around.